So here's another way we can use syncopation. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to play a game called flags and stems, or short note, long note. And so all the flag notes are going to be short notes, which are going to be played on the snare. And all the bass drum notes are going to be long notes. And we also have to consider that there's tied notes in here as well. And so whenever there's a tied note, you play that as being a long note. So that can get a little tricky with the reading on there. So that takes some practice. The good thing is it's really the same bar, just kind of put sporadically through the chart. So once you get it, you kind of get it, but it can be kind of tricky at first when you wind up doing it that way. This one, we'll just do one bar at a time. We come up to this next bar, and that's the bar with the that's the second bar of the second line. It's got the tie in it. Which to this point is one of the coolest ones on the sheet too. So it's really cool to play it that way with the tie. And then from there we can do the same things that we did with the other ones, where we do 2 bars and 2 bars. So I'll just do a little of that. So that's another really fun way that you can play with this. And once you start to get used to the flags and the stem idea, or the short notes and the long notes, which is really probably the better way to look at it in the long run, that's going to open up a lot of doors, because we can do a lot of different things where we'll approach the sheet that way with accents and playing notes on the crashes, and even doing some accents. You could do the flags on the snare drum and then the stems on the tom-toms. That's a great way to do that as well. And that'll work with almost everything that we're going to work on with these sheets, whether it be jazz or Latin or anything else.